Alright, this video is going to be much shorter this week because we already went over how to practice, what to do when mistakes happen, and all that good stuff. So I will demonstrate all three of these without the repeat, but anytime you need or would like to see the repeat done, just let me know. If you need to hear or see things done at different speeds than I demonstrate here, let me know that too. So, number one, you basically already got a head start on that, the way you're working it up yesterday. And again, for 1, 2, and 3, if you get up to 240, not 280, 240, send over a video. Let's see. Yeah, again, highly recommend just use the metronome, so this way you're not spending several seconds in between each speed adjusting the speed. We want something just quick, just da-da-da-da-da, just quickly go up there, okay? We want it to be as efficient as possible. So, tempo metronome. That's the name of the one I use, tempo. Alright, 60 for number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 4, 1, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, done. 120. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 4, 1, 4, 1, done. And oh yes, I did double check last night, and the scales were indeed attached to that invoice along with the ebook on how to use the metronome. So if I forget to attach the scales today, just go check that invoice that was initially sent, and it should be attached to that still. Alright, 180. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 240. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. So after thinking more about where you're at as a guitar player, I want to do some stuff, get your left hand moving a bit more besides just chords. So some fairly simple stuff for your fingers here. So you got 5, 7, and 8 for the frets you're going to be using. So while you do this, I want you to keep your hand down as much as possible, or your fingers down as much as possible. So when you go from the 5 to the 7, have both fingers, the first and third, down at the same time. So when you get to the 8th fret, or the C note, you should have your first, third, and fourth finger down at the same time. And then you're going to remove your pinky to get back to the 7, and then take your ring finger off to get back to the 5. So keep your fingers down as much as you can. Only take the finger off the fretboard when you have to. So, index finger is going to stay put the whole time. 60. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And no alternate picking on this. All downstrokes right now. 120. 1, 2, 3, 4. 180. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 240. 1, 2. Wait a minute. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, number 3, very similar to number 2. But instead of the ring finger, the middle finger will be used. So first on the B note, middle on the C note, pinky on the D note. Or first on 7, second finger on the 8, pinky on the 10. 60 beats per minute. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 120, 1, 2, 3, 4. One 80, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 240, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, there we go. Okay, so any questions come up, let me know. And again, if I forget to reattach the 3 notes per string scale shapes, it is in the initial invoice, okay? Alright, I'll see you again next week.